Dear students, now let us learn a new topic. The topic of names is word problem. So far we were trying to learn how to add larger digit numbers, and also we were trying to learn how to subtract the larger digit numbers, and also we also tried to learn the mixing of subtraction and addition together. And also just now we were trying to learn to estimate the sum and differences. Okay. And finally, we have reached the end of this topic, that is word problems. So, how do we find out the numbers out of a given question, and how do we identify the operation which is sum or addition or subtraction or difference from it, and we apply the operation in that question. Okay, so that first of all what we need to understand is that while a question word problem is given, we have to identify the numbers as well as the requested operation from the words given in it. For that, we have to carefully read the questions 1 or 2 times and identify the numbers given in it. So, let us see how do we identify the word problems and how do we operate them. Okay, for example, let us take a question from our textbook itself. It is given in our page number 37. So, I will read it for you. In a given year, the population of Bahamas was 2,76,000. The population of Barbados was 2,64,000 and Seychelles was 72,000. What was the population of these 3 countries taken together in that year? So let us see, we have been given the population of 3 countries in a particular year, and now they are asking the total of these population of these 3 countries according to that year. So when you see the word total, that means the operation should be addition. Always remember that when the word total comes, the operation should be addition. So let us see what are the given. So first is given the population of Bahamas. Bahamas is equal to how much it is given? It is given 2,76,000. So always remember, write them according to their place value table. What are the place value tables? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh. Okay, then it will be easy for you to add. Now let us see the population of Barbados. Barbados is how many given? It is given as 2,64,000. 2,64,000. And finally, the population of Seychelles. It is given, how much it is given? You have to carefully see, it is 72,000. So where it should come? It should come under 10,000. So, and now they have asked for the total of that population, all these 3 countries in that year. So, what we have to put the operation here? It is addition. So, it will be 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. It's bigger than 9. So, we write 9 here. Sorry, 2 here. 2 here. Carry the 1 to this one. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So, again bigger than 9. So, we write 1 here. Then give the 2 here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, 6,12,000 is the total population of this country. You see, this is how we find the solution for the word problems. So let us take another example. So let us look into our question. We'll take another example from it so we can easily understand how do we do the word problems. So look into the second question. A total number of flowers in the garden is 6 lakh. Okay. And it is given that a total number of flowers in the garden B is 3,62,000, which is less than in the garden A. Okay. So carefully read it. In the garden A, it is given that there are 6 lakh flowers. And in the garden B, there are 3,62,000 flowers less than in the garden A. So we don't have how many flowers in garden B. So how do we find it? So given that garden A has 6 lakh flowers. Garden B, we don't know, but the total flowers. But it is given that garden B has flowers less than. So less flowers than A. Garden B has less flowers than A. How many flowers less than? 3,62,000. So in order to find out how many flowers in garden B, what we should do? We should subtract 3,62,000 from 6 lakh. Then it will be, we get the number of flowers in the garden. So how we do? First of all, we have to write the number 6 lakh according to the place value. Then we have to write the how many less flowers in the garden B. It is 3,62,000. And we have to subtract. Subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 and 0. Then this is bigger than. So we give 1 here. So and 1 here. Here it is become 10 and here it is become 9. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here it is 5 now. So 2. So garden B has got now how many flowers? 2,38,000 flowers. So did you understand? So when you are given to find out it which is given less than. So less than means we have to subtract. So you have to read the questions and find out the operation first. Then only it will be easy for you to find out. So let us do some exercises and try to understand how to find out the operations from the word problems. Okay, is that clear for you? Okay, students.